Wibta if I tell my husband I want to sleep in the spare room every night because of his snoring? The title pretty much says it. My husband snores really loudly and it stops me falling asleep. I also have insomnia, so have this problem anyway. The snoring just means I get barely any sleep at all. I can't nudge him while he's asleep because if he gets woken up he can't go back to sleep. I know how important it is to him for us to share a bed. It's important to me too, but this situation is untenable for me. I'm worried I'm the off for wanting to sleep elsewhere. Oh, and he's seen a doctor about this. It's nothing sinister, just that he's gained weight and started drinking whiskey every night.